Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype issues. To know how to find a solution about Skype, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Skype. When you'll find this page of app info, you will enter to first stop, you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we'll click on clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You can, when you'll find updates, you can update your app there on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.